Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a laptop computer hard drive. I have here a laptop, and every laptop manufacturer is going to be a little bit different as to how they handle replacement of hard drives. Sometimes you might be able to pull the hard drive out from the side, but other times you're going to have to go to the bottom of the laptop and unscrew a little panel, and that's what I have to do for mine here. As you can see here, I know this is the hard drive because there's a little icon of disks. You may or may not be able to see it, but it's a little platters sitting on top of each other. That's how I know that the hard drive is under this panel. So I'm going to take a little tiny screwdriver here and pull these screws out that are holding this on. Let's just set the laptop down. Make sure that you've disconnected all of your power connections. I'm going to pull the battery out. And using my screwdriver, I'm just going to unscrew these two little tiny screws that are holding this panel on. Let's start with this one. Sometimes you need pretty good leverage for these. There we go. Now with those unscrewed, I can just pull this panel off, and there underneath is the laptop's hard drive. Now this particular one has a little plastic piece that you can use to lift the drive out, and this is the drive right here that I'm going to be replacing. Now what you would do in this case is you would take your new drive, find the pins where they are on the drive, and find where they belong. I'm just going to put this one back into here, but make sure that you lay it in there as carefully as possible. Line those pins up with the mechanism that receives those pins. Put a little bit of pressure on it, but not a whole lot, until it pops in. And as long as those pins are connected, you can take your panel, put it back onto here, then tighten your screws back in, and your laptop hard drive has just been replaced. Now if your panel is protruding at all, chances are your hard drive is not correctly aligned. You want to make sure that that's good and flat. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to replace a laptop hard drive.